Hello guys, on this part of the video I'll be showing you the variety of Christmas decorations that are available at China Square. I had also gone to pick a few pieces that you will see at the end of the video. So these guys have a variety of decoration items that you can use on your trees, like you'll be spoilt for choice. So I'll just be displaying a few of them with their prices. They range from as low as 30 shillings to I saw the highest was about 300 shillings. So they are not so expensive. You can get whatever you want, whether it's in small pieces or whether you want the big ones. So I hope that you'll enjoy this video. Yeah, and thank you so much for clicking on it. Please, if you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I'll be using this to make a Christmas tree, so I was just looking and picking a few pieces. These ones were going for 120 shillings, and I'll pick a few pieces that I'll be using. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. This is what I got from the mall. These are like pines, just the ordinary pines, and they have added a holder. Yeah, and then these ones are the decorative balls. Then I have also a variety of decoration items here, the bells. Yeah, and a lot more pieces that I just got from here. So I will be decorating a Christmas tree. I'll be making two. One is a DIY and the other one is the store-bought one. Stick around and let's make it with you in my next video maybe. Yeah, and so thank you so much for watching this video up to the end. I hope that you have had an idea on where you can get these things, and God bless you so much. Bye.